Hey guys, Motorcar Nut here. Today we're going to be discussing a visual of what the timing chain failure is on the Volkswagen. I have a lot of videos on how it fails and what fails, but I figure I'll do a visual to show you exactly what's going on in the engine when that timing chain tensioner that's right there fails. And ultimately it bends the valves. Like I said, there's plenty of ways. I have a lot of videos on how to inspect it. This is the old timing chain tensioner. All right, the new ones is like a solid piece of aluminum. It doesn't have this steel strip. Behind this steel strip is a little piece of aluminum that has teeth on it. Now, in theory, those teeth are supposed to keep the timing chain tensioner when there's no oil. Like for instance, when you first start it up, you don't have that sudden burst of oil pressure. It's supposed to keep it from sliding back in. And it fails because it's just a weak spot. It was a poor design. And so let me show you what's going on, okay? Now as we turn it, okay, now watch the tensioner. Even though there's no oil pressure, it's not supposed to move that much. So you turn it right now, you're gonna hear it. You saw it all cave in like that? You saw the plunger go all the way in? Because it just stripped out. And what that just did was made the cams, one of them turn more than it's supposed to. And there you go. And you can imagine when this engine is running, it smashes the valves and then you're done. So I figure let me do a visual on what fails. There is an inner timing chain, this one right here, that runs the counterbalances. That's right here. This one never fails, never. I don't know why they didn't put that one here. Two of them, the same way. But anyway, I figure this, give a nice visual on what happens. All right, guys, Motorcar Nut, please subscribe, hit the like button. Any questions below, leave them pertaining to the video below, and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.